So I'm building a power supply for the desk here out of recycled computer power supply, ATX I guess. But it was causing the computer to intermittent flashes on and off and restarts and freezes, so I'm pretty sure it's a bad capacitor in here. This thermistor here, which you can't really see, could be bad. Which there's a chance of it, but I don't know. Does that focus? I don't know, it's not focusing. There we go. If you notice that the board looks a little burned down there, so that's a problem. But there could be a bad capacitor here. I may have to pull it. There it is, right there. This one right here is a bad capacitor. Let me get this thing to focus. Well, I'll get a picture here for you. You can see it's bulged up at the top. If you go in here with an inspection mirror, you can see down there that it's very bulged on the top and not straight across. Alright, as you can see, this thing is completely bowed out, and if you look at the rating there, you can see it's 3.8 when it should be 470. It's completely botched, so it's junk. So here's a new one installed, and let's power it up and see if it lets the magic smoke out, or if I have to clean metal fragments out of my face. Probably not. It should be just fine, and I'll be right back with it. Okay, it's all repaired. There you go. We're pretty stable. The 5 volt rail. Let me go ahead and check the 12 volt rail now. I'll try to. Hold on, right back. I'll hook it up. And the 12 volt rail needs a little adjusting. I think I'll go in there and turn it down a little bit and make it more precise. There's a little potentiometry meter in there you change, but that's fine. So, well, it sounds like a little bit of squeal in the transformer, which is generally an input voltage thing, so I'll change that a little bit. But it's all running down there, and we're all good. Now I'll convert it to a power supply for the bench top once I fine-tune the voltages in this thing. It's pretty old anyway. But there you go. That's how to replace a bad capacitor on a circuit board and what to look for. Alright, this is North Carolina Prepper. Please rate, subscribe, have a great day, and I can get on the other videos now. Alright, bye.